This is the only volume pedal you will ever need, and it won't bankrupt you. First off, volume pedals are a must-have in your pedal lineup. They add so much versatility to your tone, as well as expand when, where, and what you play as well, allowing for easy to control swells, calm down really loud amps, so you don't frustrate the neighbors, who just had a newborn. For those other effects, they can be used as an expression pedal that allow for expression pedals to adjust them, as well as some amplifiers out there that allow for an expression pedal to be plugged into the backside. The market is flooded with different variations of volume pedals or expression pedals. From passive or active onlys, you got volume pedals that have wah pedals combined with them. I'm not a huge fan of those, but some people are, because they close down how much space you need for a pedal board. You got some expression or volume pedals that have even a tuner built into them. Yada yada yada, the list goes on. So where do you go from here? How do you find the one that you want? Guess what? I did the research for you. This is the only volume pedal you will ever need or want. And like I said, it won't bankrupt you. It's the Ernie Ball 40th anniversary volume pedal. Really an amazing product here. This black box of goodness is built like a tank. No longer should you be frustrated with a pedal purchase. This right here, this little guy, is built bomb shelter strong. All the way down to the string on the inside, right here, that actuates the potentiometer on the inside. It's made of Kevlar. Yeah, the same stuff that this helmet is made out of. It doesn't do just one thing well, it does 4 things amazingly. You get both active and passive pickup control through this. So if you have active pickups and passive pickups on 2 separate guitars that you use regularly, you don't have to switch out pedals anymore. This does them both. Because it does them both, you can place this anywhere you want inside your signal path. It can take that 9-volt battery power. It also has on the inside, right down in here, a switch. The up position, which is where I normally use it, allows for a really nice curve in the tonal change. And then the down position gives it a more direct line path. So you would use the down position when in the effects loop to calm down a really noisy amplifier. So go grab yourself one of these amazing Ernie Ball volume pedals, the 40th anniversary, and I promise you, you won't be upset that you did. I'm Thatch. I'll catch you later on the next Gear Corner.